Hey everybody, it's Justin. On today's video, Mr. JJ and I are going to unbox mini brands. So I got this on Amazon and it was like $12.50 for a 2-pack. So we're gonna open these up and see what we got. So this is the Series 5 mini brands. And these are the ones that are supposed to be a little bit smaller than the normal mini brands. They're not the mini minis, which is the new product from Zero. But these are also very, very tiny. So I'm trying to open this off camera. Maybe I should show you that process. So let's take a look. So right now we're in a little temporary setup where we're getting our doll room together. So we're just in a random dollhouse. Okay, so we've opened our package. First item. Let's see what we got. Ooh. It is a Diet Sprite. And as I said before, these are the mini minis that do fit 1/6 scale dolls very well. Our second pack are some Cape Cod kettle chips, which I also do enjoy. So JJ's getting him some good snacks. Okay, package number 3. And we got some fruit candy, Fruitella. So lots and lots of snacks for Mr. J. Since those fail, we'll just drop those two. So we have 2 more packs in this ball. So let's see. Now this one is a little bit larger. This is the Hershey's chocolate syrup as I'm dropping stuff. It's a little bit bigger, but it is actually pretty much the same size as a normal packet would be. And then our last one, we have some Campbell's chicken noodle soup. So I think all of these are really great sizes for 1/6 scale dolls. And then I'm gonna do some close-ups afterwards. But I'm gonna clear that away. And here is our second ball. Open that up. If any of y'all have done an on-camera unboxing, especially in this style, it is so difficult because you're literally reaching behind a tripod and you're trying to get it on camera, and then it's like an awkward angle and your fingers and hands are not working well. So kudos to the reviewers who do it this style. I'm not sure if I like it, but here's our second ball. And first package, we got some yakisoba. That's a good size for him. Second package. Oh, we got a rare. This is the Tabasco. Hold it so it can focus. It's a golden Tabasco. So I think this is like an ultra rare. Let's look at the collector's guide and see. You know, it's actually a super rare. So cool. Okay. So, it's our third one. And it is nail polish. Now this one is huge, but it can be background clutter. The fourth one, something that I actually do really like, which is some Minute Maid orange juice. So that's a good size for him as well. And then our fifth item is some more Campbell's soup. So we got a double, but that's okay, because we like things we like in the pantry. So I'm going to do some close-ups of these items and show you a little bit more detail. Okay, so now we're in a little kitchen setup. So now you can see the scale a lot better of what it looks like in a Barbie kitchen. Mind you, this is an older Barbie house, so the kitchen is actually a little bit smaller than normal, and items still fit. So just imagine in, you know, a little bit more of a traditional size Barbie kitchen, because as you can see, Mini Me is towering over the kitchen stove and refrigerator setup. But that's just how they did it in the early 2000s. But we see the juice fits in the refrigerator, the soda, and the canned goods and other products. They all are very good scale. The only thing that's a little bit off is the nail polish. The bottle is really big. And when you compare it like with the doll's hand, it is supersized, but hey, that can be background clutter for a doll's vanity. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and we appreciate you watching our unboxing of the Series 5 mini brands.